No, hello. Hello, can you hear me? So I'm about to start the stream. Happy New Year. So, hello, can you hear me? So I'm about to start the stream. Happy New Year. So today it's a holiday break. So okay, so today's a holiday break. So today we're just gonna analyze the market over the few days. Today we're just gonna analyze the market over the few days. Today's a holiday break. We're gonna analyze the market over the couple of days and see what we can get from the next move. So sticking with me as we start. I'm gonna be start the stream soon. Just hang tight. Thank you. This is the this is the this is the pound dollar. Sorry. So we're here with the pound dollar. This is the pound dollar. I had some work on it. Uh, so I just want to restart everything and just clear out the drawings. I'm gonna start a new. I'm gonna start a new paper trading account. So I'm just gonna hit reset. I'm gonna go for Forex. I'm just gonna start off with the 1 to 10 leverage because I'm a new person. 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Stocks is 1 to 1. We're gonna start with $1,000. Reset. So the commission is gonna be 0.35. That's the commission I'm planning on using. Um, so everything is cleared. All the account history and everything is cleared. So we're gonna start a new trading account. I have the ATR and the RSI as my indicators. I have it set to 7 for the length. That's over 7 candles is gonna measure and give me a stat. So that's how it works. For the ATR, I'm using the 1 length. So after each candle is gonna give me a stat. So that's why it looks a little bit bubbly. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the British dollar. I also use Forex Factory and Finviz. So right before the Christmas break, this week on Christmas break, I saw that the pound was had a very good performance over here. It was up here, so that's why I chose it. Sorry. So we have here, we have the USD as basic. Yeah, dropping. The New Zealand dollar hasn't been performing well, so that's what those are my signals when to not trade them. So right now the GDP is going down right now, but USD is still balanced, so that's why I still chose them. And the Japanese yen, not too bad. So the charts I'm gonna trade today are Japanese of the pound Japanese yen, sorry, the pound dollar, and lastly the dollar yen. Those three I'm gonna trade today. I'm just gonna open on TradingView. So I said the USD. So I'm gonna do USD, Japanese yen. I'm gonna add it to my watch list. No, I don't think that's it. No, that's not what I did. Sorry. Fuck it. Oh yeah, my bad. So I'm gonna trade these three today. So I'm gonna start off with the pound dollar. I also wanna check the news on pound dollar right here. I'll be open. So they said that pound dollar has a head start over here. It's in the 1 minute. We see a bearish movement from the pound dollar. So that means the USD. That means the USD pound is gonna be higher. Let me see that. USD pound. No. Yeah, I have to refresh the page. Just for the USD pound. Mm. Yeah, so the USD pound is in the bullish movement, while the pound USD is in the bearish movement. But that doesn't really matter for now. It's just an analyst. I'm just checking right now to see how the market is gonna move. You can also see here that the upcoming events, that pound nation I this. So this is for Thursday. That's tomorrow. You see that you have a bank holiday. So what I'm not gonna do is gonna trade the Swiss franc because they have a bank holiday. That's gonna be very indecisive. So same with the pound, HBI, PMI, PMI. I'm not too familiar with PMI, so I'm just gonna switch that out. Do you hear me? I I don't think I was recording. That was why. I want to see if I'm gonna quickly go back and check how the recording is. No, it definitely is. But it's my one. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly go back and check how the recording is. You know, yeah, I'm gonna quickly go back and check how the recording is. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna quickly go back and check how the recording is. Back right now. Back right now. I guess we're waiting. Just need to take a quick break. So 0.11, so 33. So that's 2 4. Twenty nine pips. So around 808, I would have, yeah, around here I'll place my trade. So that's a 2.8. So 2.8 around 808. So that's a 2.8 risk reward because that'll definitely hit because of the here. So yeah, I just look out for the little details that I can get from the support and resistance. So after that, I saw that market went to consolidation for a little while, then went past the support. But I see over here in my other one. Sorry, I just wanna move this out. I see that in the previous line that it had the higher resistance over here. This is I'm gonna call this resistance two. So resistance two, he came up, did break resistance two. I'm not can't say right now, but so this becomes this new support. If I was to draw a circle again, let me just copy. Let me just draw a circle again. So if I was to draw a circle over here, I can see that market bounce back up. So market closed in the rectangle right here, and it went straight down. So I feel you can do the same thing for a long term. So if I went short right here, from a short, as soon as market close, let me see right here, because I'll probably enter right here. So short right here, all the way down to my support, close below here. So ATR was 17. If I closed here, the 45, so 45 right here, let's say here, 26, 45. So that's 26.40, 45. So that's 48. I'll probably go here because I like my risk reward to be two. We're right here. Let's see if the RSI also planned it. So it says that market went up, skyrocketed here. This was the peak, so it came back down, pushing down, still consolidated. So it consolidated right here. Then market got here. Let's say it went bearish. It went down with the high bearish over here because here market went up with a high volatility. So right here, okay, I think I could see the reversal. Candles are almost the same wick. So if I say it went long, long here, that made it 2 to 1. I'm not sure. I'll probably kept it here. Let's say lower than this, 19. So don't probably around here. Okay, so yeah, this was a hit. So this is one, two, three trades. So that's the 3 to 1 win rate right here. I'm gonna close this out. So after this, market still came, touched the support, went back up. Let me drag this all the way here. Touched the support, came back up, went down. That's on deck for a pullback. I want to see how this reverse came up. This was at 1 o'clock. Okay. So right now I can't really say what market's gonna do, but because of the procedures I've been complying with, I can say that it might push up or go below my support. So that's why I'm gonna zoom out and see. Okay, so market's actually gone lower than this around December 19th. Market went lower than this. Market went here. Wow, this is big bearish move. Wow, this is a big bearish move. So market went down very much here. Over here. So I reckon that our market is going to go down right here. It should go up. It should. It should go up at least back to this place. It should retest and go back here, if I'm not mistaken. But because of the season we're in right now, so I think that it might actually just drop down. It's a two-way chance right now. But I strongly feel that because of this range from the 20th, let me say from the Sunday by 5 p.m. From here, I feel market's gonna go up back to this resistance, then might push back down. It just depends on the fundamental news. But right now, if there was no fundamental news backing it up, I would say that market is gonna go up back to the resistance. So I'm gonna just draw an arrow. So I'm gonna say market's gonna go up. Right now, I'm gonna say this. back right now. I'll say the market is gonna go up. So at the open, that's probably gonna be tomorrow. So I'm gonna say if I was going to go long, probably push my stop loss here. I'm gonna push my stop loss here, all the way here. I'm gonna use the ATR and 10, 10, 10, 10, go down 10. So 10, that's gonna be 249. No, 249. I want that's gonna be around here, if I'm not mistaken. So easy, probably a 2.5. If I'm gonna get cut out, I'll probably say that. So I'm gonna add this to my trading journal. I'm gonna add it to my trading journal side by side. I'm gonna say entry day. I'm gonna say entry day and entry time. I'm gonna check that when it happens. So right now I'm on the USD. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Wait, let me quickly check. Let me quickly check with the 50-minute and the 4 hour to see if I'm actually making sense over here. Touch the resistance, touch the resistance, touch the resistance. Go for the resistance. Yeah, it should probably go up. It should probably go up. It should probably go up. I have a strong feeling that it should go up. If I'm not mistaken, it should go up. It should probably go up. Let me see the 5 minute. Yeah, it should go up. It might retest in the support area over here. Oh, I also have to make sure. I also have to add the I also have to add the spread to my calculation as well, because that can take me out very, very quickly if the market if something just happened. Yeah, it should go up and hit the resistance. So I'm gonna check this out right now. I'm gonna go at buy at I'm gonna say market's gonna go 1, 3, 4. I'm gonna use I'm gonna risk 2 micro lots, so that's 2,000. 2,000, so I'm gonna risk 2 micro lots. Take profit is at 1, 2, 5, 8, 7, 4. Wait, sorry, I have to add the spread into calculation, so that's gonna be 2. So I'm gonna drop this down. Let me drop this down by 2 pips. 7, 4. So it's gonna be 5, 4. 5, 4 because of the spread. So basically, if you're not familiar with the spread is basically the difference between bid and ask price. So if I was to go at market, for instance, and I buy the market's gonna be above where I decided I wanted to buy it. It's basically it's basically the broker way of collecting commission. That's how they make money. So by making a spread between the bid and ask price, they get a certain commission out of those pips. So imagine for 1,000 traders that are gonna either bid or sell, no, bid or ask, he's gonna make a decent amount of money from that. So that's why they have to bid. So that whenever the spread is always large, I always try and avoid that, not to go much with my risk. So right now I'm just risking two micro lots right now. So I'm gonna say 254. Then my stop loss is gonna be no. I'm gonna decrease this. Break my stop loss two more pips, so that's 2.4. So I'm gonna do 192.06. 906. So 906, I'm gonna add two. So it's gonna be 249.42. I'm just do three. 30. I just raised it up. No, let me see this. So I'm gonna decrease it. Okay. There's gonna be 124.882. 882. I'm gonna buy it. So that's the 2.6. 2.68. Little risk reward. They not what's this? Like for instance now see the bid price right here is saying 25146. So if I was to enter at 25146, 2514, that's gonna be way higher than what the price is gonna start at. So I'm gonna start around here. That's I'm putting a limit. So when price goes back down to 3, 4, I'm gonna push it down a little. Maybe 3, 3. I'm gonna hit 3, 3. The price gets there. which is definitely gonna get there. I'm gonna that's still canceled because I'm gonna put it for a month to be safe. Because let me see how long it takes price to get down here. So if I was at resistance, how long would it take price to get back to support on a daily basis? So it basically takes at least 12 hours. Right now the ATR is in the middle. The ATR the ATR is in the middle, so I can't say how much the volatility. Let me see what the low volatility like this. Let me see from here. Okay, so month is too much. I'm gonna say a week. For a week, I'm gonna keep this for a week. Let's see how long it takes to buy this. So I'm gonna place this in my chart. Wait, did I see one? Yeah, 1425133. I'll put this in my journal right now. So my margin right now, I'll place this in my journal. So I said GDP 1 hour. I'm doing 1 hour type of entry long analysis. Support. I'm gonna put SNR, put some space SNR. Double top. I entered I didn't enter right now, so I'm gonna leave entry date. You should probably enter one, yeah, 2025. The 2000 units. No, stop for sure. In 2000 units. So this. So right now I'm gonna use so right now I'm gonna use so right now I'm gonna use stealth stop as my take profit because that's trading for some reason doesn't have a target two for you. So I'm gonna use my sell stop as my take profit. Also abiding by the 2.4 word. So let me say sell stop at 1.26. So I'm gonna say sell versus stop. Sell stop basically means at this point I wanna sell everything I have. So I'm gonna sell 2,000 units as well. My sell stop is at let me expand this. Sell stop is at 2.6022. So I'm gonna place different targets over here. I'm gonna place different targets over here. I wanna place here, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna place two targets. Let me see what I can run with. I'm gonna leave this to run through, but I'm gonna place another target at my resistance too. So I'm gonna get a long position over here, place it here, drag it all the way to my second target. Stop loss still on the same thing. So right here, over here, this is what I'm talking about. So here, I'm gonna buy by the spread. Right now it's 26.725. So if I do 5, I'm gonna drop by 2 pips. It's gonna be 26.0005. So Brandon was a sell limit, not a sell stop. So I'm gonna go to um, around here. So I'm gonna place my trade. I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna scrap this out. So sell limit right here. I'll modify this like here. I'm gonna do 1,000. No, 1,000. I've correctly placed it. I'm gonna do 5. I'm gonna do 5. I'm not gonna take profit. But I'm gonna add an alert at that specific time. So I'm gonna cancel something. I'm gonna add an alert because apparently, if you don't have to take profit or stop loss, it's just gonna keep on going, and you might lose money. So, don't want that to happen. So right now, I'm gonna 126,005. I'm gonna go to the Japanese yen and the dollar because it's been looking good. I'm just gonna add 1.26005, right? I think that's right. So we're gonna go back to the Japanese yen. So we're gonna go Finviz close. Right now the Japanese yen is around the same thing with the GDP. So we're gonna use the USD against the yen. So that's how it's supposed to run. Or if you really want to do something very, very good, I would reckon that we do the US dollar to the New Zealand dollar. So I'm gonna show it over here, not the calendar. I'm gonna look at trade. Oh, it's open. Sorry, I just want to check the big foot over BTC. Crypto's open. Oh, it's open. Right? I don't trade crypto at the moment right now because I'm not too sure like how it works. I'm still learning, by the way. So let me see the USD New Zealand dollar. That's what I'm thinking we should trade. Yeah, it's gonna be bullish. It's definitely gonna be bullish. So this is the 1 hour. This is how we're looking. This is not what you want to trade. I've never seen those charts in my life. Those candlesticks are. Let me see if it's any better on the Heiken-Ashi. I think Heiken-Ashi should be okay. Oh wow. This right now, as I'm a beginner, I think I'll run away from this because it's still appearing on the Heiken-Ashi and the. Let me see if it has any difference on the line. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna avoid that. Heiken-Ashi. So on the Japanese yen, I want to do like a swing trading type of movement. So I'm on the Heiken-Ashi right now. Usually on the Heiken-Ashi, it's more of average. So you can't. I don't think you can really scalp on the Heiken-Ashi. I'm not too sure. Like from my basic knowledge, people mostly do swing trading on Heiken-Ashi. It's so if you're on the 1 minute chart and you really want to get some gains, you have to look at the chart, check for a reversal. Like now, usually doji candles or the big engulfing candles are represent reversal. Like the hammer, this is the hammer right here. Hammer engulfing. Engulfing is the big candle that doesn't have any candlesticks. The hammer is the one that looks like a hammer, and then the shooting star. Shooting star is the one that has very little body, well, has bigger wicks. So here, supposed to enter the trade, I'll have probably entered here once this closed. So if I was gonna go short, I'll probably do a basic 221. 221. I think this never fails you. Set stop loss here. I probably this never fails you apparently. It never fails you. But I'm not like too sure about that. But it's just a strategy, but barely. But if you want to like actually trade Heiken-Ashi, it's best to go on the 4 hour chart or the 1 hour chart or the 30-minute chart, even the 15 minute, to get like a good glimpse of what you're getting into. So if I did long on this, because we know the dollar is has been doing well compared to the Japanese yen. So if I was to go here, probably set my stop loss around here with the ATR. So I'm gonna go down, but also look at the spread. See how big the spread is. So I'm actually gonna use that spread plus the ATR to be able to make sure that. So I'm gonna go down by 5. So I should probably buy 156.00, 56.00, probably around here. Then I'll probably set my TP around here. Let me see if I was here. If I want to set my stop loss here. Okay, 5. Is it 2? I'll probably done this. At least I know I'm getting like 1, 2, 2.3. If the spread is very wide, you also have to pay attention to the ATR. That's how I feel I should look at it. Let me see if it's the same for here. I enter a candle right here. ATR is at 1.3. Enter right here. 3%. I think yeah. Yeah. So if I was probably gonna enter the 30-minute chart right here, like this, for instance, this, I won't enter fully until I see a candle like this. Like this, the one without the bottom wick. If it has a wick top and below, I'm not entering. That means it's still like consolidating. That's how. So right now, quickly before I get into that, I just want to check the news on USD GDP to know like how the market is gonna look at. So I'm gonna go USD. Yeah. So same thing. USD gains strength. And you see that it's a bearish movement on the 1 minute chart. So I want to do the 5 minute chart. It's 1 hour. Let me see how the 1 hour. Yeah, it went down and it's pushing back up, but it's still in the middle range. So I'm just gonna guess for resistance. So basically, you move with the trend. If you don't move with the trend, you just set yourself up for failure. So you have to move with the trend. So for instance, now if I was trading 1 minute chart right now, I know that it's in a bearish movement. So there's no reason why I should go in the bullish movement, if that makes sense. We see from the moving average here, this line shows how like depending on how many, let me see the settings for the EMA. EMA. Okay, so EMA is basically the number of candles measured to see how they're performing. So EMA is just like an average of, let's say, this range over here. So this range is mostly bearish. It's just gonna show on the line that's bearish. So if for something like this that just crosses over the bearish, it has a likely chance of going back down to retest. That's how the market does. When it goes up, it still retests to see if that was a good move. also based on the fact of the fundamental news. So that's why we're here today. So 5 minutes maximum. So they're saying dollar gains, dollar gains. They're just anticipating for the new year. So the spread is much different based on trader, I mean broker. You can see how the spread is much different. Like for instance, 4.5, one Wanda right now. So uh, huh, Wanda right now is 4.0. So if I was to, for instance, go on XNES, if I was going XNES, let me see it. XNES. I don't think they have XNES. Let me see. Hmm, I don't think they have XNES. Let me see. FSX or EBT. So if I was to go on Forex.com, for instance, I'm gonna have a wide spread, 9.8. That's wow. So you have to make sure you know what broker you're going to. So if you're doing Forex.com, which I highly don't recommend, because here what TradingView does is shows you the ratings for each broker. So I'm gonna go over here to the not the markets. I'm gonna say let me check screen. I'm not too sure if it's here. I'm gonna say it's the screen here. That's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, brokers. Okay, compare brokers. So right now, they saying Forex.com is the best right now, but I'm not too sure. Webull is also updated. I have 102,000 accounts. Fluid reviews 4.5. They have a 4.6. Wanda also has a 4.5. They won best in 2023. So that's why I always like try to trade on Wanda charts because I think they have a fair say. And it also matters about the benefits you're getting from the broker. So, so yeah, it just depends on that. So I'm gonna go back to Wanda and see. So Wanda, let me see capsule.com. They have a 6 point spread. Wow. FX and F is 0.9. Um, let me check what FX is. It's been mostly bullish. These charts been mostly bullish. These charts. Sorry, 1 minute cut. I just want to get 1 minute for you. Sorry, 1 minute cut. I just want to get. I'm back right now. One. Wow. Wow. For instance, the euro, Japanese yen. That's wow. So I was probably gonna do hiking actually, but I'm not gonna swing trade today. I just wanna do a quick analysis. So I'm gonna go on a 15-minute chart, go back to the Japanese candles, and see what is happening. I've shown what I've done in the swing, so I'm gonna show what I do on a shorter time frame. Like on a longer time frame is much distinct and easier. Like you can see, the market has been bullish all the way. The market has been bullish almost all the way for 23 days. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of time here. Well, okay, see that market on the day for maybe a day. This is a whole day, almost a whole day. This is how the whole day is looking like. So on the shorter time frame, I'm gonna start with 15 minute. I'm gonna start on the biggest move. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna start from the trend. Yeah, I'm gonna start from this open here. So we can see that market consolidating in this range. So first thing I'm gonna do is just easily draw a support and resistance. So this is the support. This is our support. And our resistance is gonna be above. And I choose to can three or two can. I'm gonna say here. Yeah, here's good. So you can see market consolidating in this range, broke down here. Still consolidating, went above this. Came back, retouched, then just broke down the support. So this becomes our new. So this becomes our new resistance. Resistance. So resistance two brings about. I might shift this a little bit. So it can like match. Yeah, still one, two. Yeah, still touching our three. Can. So for a new support right now, we're gonna use this. This is called. We have support one, resistance one, support two, resistance two. So we can see market went down. Market was just pushing down. It's been pushing down. So if we think that this is going down, I'm mistaken. Yen, dollar, be going up. So both of them, we can't really see much of. Also, the market for the yen dollar is already open because of time difference. Let's see where Tokyo 9. It's currently 6 in the morning. Beijing is already 10. Wow. He's still at 10. Almost New York time. So we're gonna go back to the dollar. Yen. So right now I can see that market just went down. I'm gonna highlight this. Just went down. This will be a small resistance box here. I want to see if I drag this all the way to see. Yeah, so market also came to this position on the 19th. Like the 19th was also at the last one. 19th, April 19th was also last one. Market came up here, we're close to the came back here. Didn't break down, that's good. So didn't break down, that's good. So market stayed above it. Still consolidated. So so if we did the long term trade, you know, seeing that market was here, did the long term trade, double top, and just went up. So if I did a trade from here to the support, if I said I'm gonna go long to the support, I'm gonna go long here, go long to the support. Resistance can be low because sorry, stop loss can be low because you know that's a double top. So so 3.5 is not too bad. The ATL always has to add the spread. So 3.5 is not too bad. The ATL always has to add the spread. So let's say market was gonna close here. 505. Market was gonna close here. 505. 505. I'm gonna close here 4.6. So I'm gonna do E2. Yeah, around here. So I'll probably do around here. Market will close here. So that's so market went up over here. So if market came here because it touched the support. So if I'm not mistaken, at the open of this, if I'm not mistaken, market's gonna go down, touch the resistance. I'm not sure where it's gonna go, but touch the resistance. I'm not sure where it's gonna go, but if it touches resistance, it has a double chance of either going up or down. If it touches resistance, it has a double chance of either going up or down. So if it touches resistance over here, so from here, it can either go resistance over here. So from here, it can either go. So if market goes down, it has a chance of going down. So if market goes down, it has a chance of going down. Or it can go down all the way. It might go down all the way. Let me bring this down all the way. I think it might consolidate, come back up, drop further down, come back up, further down, then touch here, then just go up. Or market can just I think this is gonna happen. Because market market's gonna stay in this resistant box for a long time before it goes down. Because because we can see the performance here in the monthly basis. I mean, because here right now is the this should be. Let me see how long this is. This is a whole day, half a day. The chances of it going down and just going and not stopping back. Last time market, let me see when market went up. Took 2 days. So yeah, still in the range. 1 month. So here I'm just gonna do cheeky 3,000 units. 2002. We're gonna sell. Let's sell 1,000. No, I said 3,000. So that's three microlots. So I'm gonna sell them in the five. Short, no short. All the way to the resist support. Then by this. Let's say this is our active stop loss. 4.6. So we're gonna do three. Click for 4.2, 5.42. 4.26. 4.26. So let's just do 1 to 2. So here I'm gonna say 4. So yeah, right on spot. So I'm gonna copy this. Stop loss 4 to 1. Take profit 8.17. Oh, 056, my bad. So we're doing a $7 loser cake. So we're doing $7. What the stakes? The stakes. It's not too bad because of the commission. So we've been at a week. Is how I'm looking. Pull up your journal. How I'm looking. Pull up your journal. Oh, going short. Same thing with the support and resistance. Units are going 3K. Core resistance is a 3-hit chart view. Core resistance is a 3-hit chart view. Classic. 3,000 units. a high chance that market might go up and go retest it down and just push down. But I think, let me see, yeah, because of the volatility that it left, I feel it's still gonna keep on going. And push down. Price deceleration observed. So price deceleration is when price stops going in this pace and starts slowing down. I'm not too sure. Let me check the RSI. I'm not too sure about this trade because of it says bearish market. Market went down very deeper. It should go down. It should. Let me check the news one more time for it. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna go down. Compared to the GDP. Let me check the pound. Yeah, it should. I feel with this, hopefully we get like we hit our take profit. So we're gonna go here. The one on I can actually made a mistake. Quickly copy this. Wait, I think my stop. So, um, entry price is that it's not entry price. CP. I don't think we're gonna run a target to this trade. So risk reward ratio was 1 point. It was 1.2 here. 1.2. It's about 1.2 here. They had 1,000 in our account. Let's take another stop. I doubt it's gonna go here. I'm just gonna stick with this. Right? Because this is that it's been doing 22%. I'm gonna go. I haven't placed a trade. Check here. GDP. It says me doing well. Who's gonna go up and touch down? Market can go two ways right now. First way is gonna go. It's gonna go touch the resistance, push back up, push back up, might go straight back up, or market can go this way direction again. Straight up, it's just gonna go up, come back down, like lower, but it's not gonna touch my stop loss. Then push way past my stop loss, then push way past my thing, and might even go down. But I'm planning on putting a buy stop above here. Hopefully, it doesn't cancel out. So I'm gonna put a buy stop here. I'm gonna do half of this. I'm gonna cancel this out. 500, 1,000. Take profit is gonna be at my former resistance. I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna place it on the next resistance. Okay, stop loss here. Yes. So if market comes alive, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna see my margin. You know that. I wanna see how much I can put in the bank. I can still do. I can do seven. Okay, I can do. Can I do 9 microlots? Okay, I can still do 9 microlots. So I can do 10 microlots. Or basically, I can do 1 minute. can do sleeps one more mini lot. I get knocked out. So I think that's my analysis. That's my analysis. This is on the GDP. This is on the GDP. The GDP, US dollar, and the Japanese yen. The US dollar, Japanese yen. Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen. Hopefully, I can maybe to gain experience either from losing my trade or winning my trade. And hopefully, in my next live, I'm gonna capture some of my scalping methods that I go through to make sure that I get best of both worlds. So this I mostly use for swing trading plus the day, but I rarely use the day because of how long it is for a trade goes. Like if I want to use this, that's a whole month, 31 days just to get that swing in. If I use the 4 hour chart, I want to catch this swing here, catch this swing here. That's 1 day. So it just depends on how time I'm willing to give up. But I'm mostly on the 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, and 30 minute chart. Well, yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for being here for my first live on the first year of 2025. Thank you for coming here to my first live. I hope to get more knowledge, practice, and improve on my training journey as I begin today, 2025. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.